Everyone, welcome into Skill World. Today in this video, I am going to show you an amazing tool called the Bug Buddy extension that can make your bug reporting process faster and more professional. If you are QA tester or working in software testing, you know how important it is to create clear bug reports with screenshot and steps. This extension helps you capture issues easily and share them with your team in a structured way. So let's begin. Open Chrome browser and search Bug Buddy extension. Click on first link. After clicking on this link, click on Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension. After adding this extension, I will show you how you can create a bug by using this extension easily. Now extension is added and the extension added successfully. Now search para bank. Open this site and first step is capture a screenshot or record video. This is login page and here enter password and then click on login. User login successfully. First open this extension, click on this one. Here three options are available. You can also give permission, and here for if you want to record audio, so you need to give the permission, and this is for video. If you want to permission, so just click on give permission and it will capture the video. So explore this option. First click on capture and annotate a screenshot. Click on this one and here you can capture the screenshot by using this option. As you can view here, screenshot captured successfully. You can add here if you want to add highlight some things, so you can also highlight. If you want to add text, you can also add a text. So here option available. Also you can change the color. Now another option available here, create multiple step screen recording. For using this option, you need to share your screen. Just click on entire screen and then click on share. Now it will capture the all activities. First navigate to the URL and then enter username, enter password and then click on login. As you can view here, we are getting the username and password could not be verified because we enter here invalid username and password. Next thing we need to do here, we just need to click on stop and it will redirect to the new tab. You can view this video again and here you just need to add the bug details. This is the steps which is generated by this extension. First step is visit it on this site, type admin on username field, type password. This is encrypted password. On password, navigate to this URL. Now you need to enter expected and actual result and just send to Jira, or you can share. If you want to share this video and steps, you need to log in. So you need to log in. You can copy link also here. Just click on copy link. For now click on cancel. Inside these steps you can view session started. This is the complete URL. Type admin as we enter here admin and then enter password and then click on login button and navigate to this URL. This is the console. This is the network. In the network you can view status, method get and the post which is used for login. We are logging into this application and this is the URL. This is the time you can view here in millisecond. Click on test script. You can also generate the script or Selenium, Cypress, and here you need to select the language. If you want to generate the script for automation, so you just need to click here, change, select the language and then click on generate. So you can generate the script for automation. And other option also available here. This page is of time. Let's refresh this page because we are getting 400 from this page. Now again open this URL. After capturing all the activities by using this third option, you can view again this video and steps. So you need to enable this option. By using this extension, you can easily report a bug and you can also share this bug with your team members. So that's how you can use the bug buddy extension to simplify your bug reporting process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to SK World for more testing tutorials. See you in the next video.